This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English pronouns question. In this question, we're given this underline there and asked to choose the correct pronoun. So in order to examine a pronoun, we want to see what its antecedent, so the noun that the pronoun is referring back to earlier in the sentence is, and that way we can figure out if we have the correct pronoun or not. So this sentence tells us we have two raccoons have been known to work together to help each other reach places neither could reach on their own. So this is our key part. We have this neither could reach on blank own. So here we're talking about two raccoons who can do something that one raccoon alone couldn't do. So this neither, this is going to be our antecedent that this pronoun wants to refer back to, and it's singular because we have two raccoons and neither, so one of the raccoons alone couldn't do this. So we want to find a pronoun that's singular. So our first choice there isn't going to work because there is plural. And you might be tempted by the fact that we have two raccoons. But remember, we're not talking about the fact that there are two raccoons. We're talking about one of the two raccoons, so neither, being able to reach things without the other one. So let's remember that this is singular. So there isn't going to work. Choice 4 also has a there, but it's wrong because it's not a preposition. This is a contraction for they are. So neither could reach on they are own. That's wrong. So now it comes down to its and its. So one has an apostrophe and one doesn't. So we have, the only time we use an apostrophe with its is if we have something like there. So it is becomes its in the contraction. The apostrophe is over here because it's short for it is. We never put an apostrophe in any other case in its because it's without an apostrophe. This is already a possessive marker. So we don't need to mark it in any other way to make a possessive. We'd only use it for a contraction, but these two, this contraction there and this contraction its are out of place in this sentence that's looking for a possessive pronoun. So that's wrong for that reason. And its is going to be perfect because it is singular, which goes back to that neither, or antecedent, and it doesn't function as a contraction, which isn't what we want. So choice 2 is good.